All. Today I discuss Honor mobile fingerprint and fatal lock system. My phone secure system. At first, settings, click here. Then biometrics and password, click here. Then lock screen password. You can 4 step fingerprint ID, face reco reco recognition, lock screen password. At first, lock screen password, click here. Lock screen password, click here. Then 6-digit pin, click here. Again 6-digit same password, click here. My skill lock already done. Add fingerprint lock. Now add fingerprint lock, add, click here. Add, click here. Add fingerprint. My fingerprint, my finger, add link, add, again, again, okay. My fingerprint lock successfully. Okay, click here. My fingerprint device. Okay, check now. My apps, click here. Then fingerprint check. Verify, click. Then fingerprint. Okay, done. My fingerprint is done. Okay, thank you all everyone. Thank you.